first mission in forever and my cover's blown.
1号2号3号ドライズサブチェンジ
Phantom is Skid?
Oh my god, not the Pato Ranger, but oh well.
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there. So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The Nefarious Day Spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget. Wow, where'd you learn how to do? Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
I did it! Oh, man! I really... Well... Anyway, looks like the computer is back online.
You did it, Glitch!
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
There! What's that? Guardians unite!
Traps, warbombs, 5 planet-destroying cannons, and a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only that blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh?
Ratchet, this way! Come on! Ratchet! Come on!
After him! No!
Come on! And ship, and then we're gonna get out of here. Us, I brought some friends on the way.
I'm coming, Clank.
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
On met du fromage.